you remember the sound of the letter S? That's right. S, S. Look at these pictures. Can you find objects that begin with the sound S? What about the sofa? Does sofa begin with the sound S? Yes, S, sofa. Does salad begin with the sound S? That's right, S, salad. What about bananas? What do you think? Bananas, does it begin with the sound S? No, bananas does not begin with the sound S. I can see some webs. I bet there is a spider too. Oh, there it is. S, spider. I like ketchup. Does ketchup begin with the sound S? You are correct. Ketchup does not begin with the sound S. I can see a picture of a starfish here. Does starfish begin with the sound S? Yes, it does. S, starfish. What about these shiny spoons? Correct. S, spoons. I can have samosas with the ketchup. Oh yes, samosas. There is one more thing that starts with the sound S. Come on, I know you can see that thing on this table. Yes, you guessed it right. Salt. Salt. You did a great job. Sofa. Salad. Spider. Spoon. Starfish. Salt.
Like, share and subscribe.